and other updates coming in, and this coming in from the state of Karnataka now. A pharma company in Karnataka has become a coronavirus hotspot with at least 3 new cases that have been reported from the company. In fact, the total number of infected employees from the company now stand at 49. Till date, 1,400 employees of the company and their contacts have been quarantined and further tested at this point. What is even more crucial is that the government is yet to find out the source of this entire infection. The first employee was tested positive on March 24th, but how he acquired this virus is not clear yet. Meanwhile, there's a statement that has come in from the pharmacy company saying that no traces of the COVID-19 were found in the raw materials imported from China and sampled at Nanjangud, which is its subsidiary facility. In its statement, the company has also alleged that neither their first patient from the firm nor the other employees who tested positive had any foreign travel history in the last 6 months. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale, who's joining me live, getting us those updates there. Neha, can you quickly take us through the big updates coming in after this pharma company, which is in Mysuru? This had been turned into a coronavirus hotspot with several cases coming to light. What is the latest update and the statement that has come in from the company?
Apurva, shockingly, 49 cases so far have been reported from just this one cluster. These are employees of the pharmaceutical company and their primary and secondary contacts as well. But it's been about 22 days till today that the first patient tested positive from this company, and we still have absolutely no idea, or we've not made any headway with regard to where the source of this infection really came from. So what we're actually seeing essentially over here is that the cases are increasing in this cluster day by day, but the government has still not been able to understand the source of the infection. As of now, of course, all foreign travel has been ruled out because neither the employee nor any of the employees who tested positive had any history of foreign travel. That's one. Secondly, also, Purva, some of the consignments of this company, raw materials that had come from China, were in fact sent for testing to the NIV, and that has also returned negative now. And going by what the company has said, that none of their employees had any history of travel, we'll have to wait and see as to where the source of the infection really lies. Now, one thing that's being looked at is a couple of foreign delegates who had visited this company, in the month of February. Could they have been carriers of the virus? That's something that's being questioned. But as of now, it still remains to be a mystery, and almost, of course, possibly close to 50 cases, 49 cases have already been reported from this cluster. Mysuru, that currently has reported a total of about 61 cases, of which 80% are with regard to this cluster, making it a hotspot as well. The Mysuru district also currently has the second highest number of cases in Karnataka after Bangalore. So while of course the mystery still shrouds this, we'll have to wait and see as to what other measures are used to find out the source of the infection. Apurva.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.